Good morning, everyone. Our group about to present about the Thailand Food and Drug Administration, or can be called as Tfda. We'll be looking into its role, the drug approval process, how it ensures product safety, and even how it compares with Malaysia and PRA. Let's begin with a brief introduction to what Tfda is and why it plays such an important role in public health.
For first question, which is when was it established and why? The Thailand Food and Drug Administration, or TFDA, was established in 1971 to protect public health and consumer rights. It regulates the safety, quality, and effectiveness of food, drugs, and medical products across the country. Originally formed to meet rising health concerns, the FDA later expanded to include medical devices and now operate in line with international standards.
Next is primary roles and responsibility. The FDA play a crucial role in Thailand healthcare system. Its responsibility including ensuring the safety and effectiveness of the health-related product, enforcing the laws related to this product, and building systems to regulate and monitor them. It also acts as the national contact points for chemical safety. Overall, the FDA worked to make sure that the product reach the public are safe and that company follow strict regulation.
The drug approval process in Thailand consists of several stage. The first stage is pre-marketing license, where company must obtain license to manufacture, sell, or import drug. Next is preclinical research, which involve lab and animal study to gather preliminary safety data, and then followed by clinical trials, where the drug is tested on humans to determine its safety and effectiveness. Once trials are complete, company enter the registration process and submitting an application to TFDA. Then TFDA conducts a drug review to assess the quality, safety, and efficiency of the product. If the drugs meet all criteria, it enters the approval and market entry phase and can be sold commercially. Lastly, in the post-marketing phase, the drug continues to be monitored through inspection, safety update, and adverse reaction reporting.
Next, for the question, how does the agency ensure drug safety and quality post-marketing? The FDA ensures drug safety even after approval through active surveillance. It monitors adverse drug reaction or ADRs and conduct regular compliance audits. Under its pharmacovigilance system, companies are required to report any ADRs, run safety monitoring programs, and update drug labels when new safety risks are found. The FDA also takes a strong action when problems arise, like enforcing product recall, such as a case where a multinational mouthwash brand was pulled due to microbial contaminations. If companies fail to comply, the FDA can restrict or withdraw product authorization to protect public health.
Notable case or challenge COVID-19. One major challenge faced by the TFDA was during the COVID-19 pandemic. With with a sudden demand for essential medical equipment such as ventilators, the FDA had to accelerate the approval process. At the same time, they need to make sure that safety and effectiveness standards were not compromised. This situation tests their ability to act quickly and responsibly, balancing the urgent public health needs with strict regulatory control.
Now, I will be explaining the comparison between Malaysia's NPRA and Thailand's Tfda. In terms of similarities, both agencies are responsible for evaluating the quality, safety, and efficacy of health-related products. Next, their drug approval processes are quite similar in structure, but there are some differences in how they carry out their responsibilities and what areas they focus on. Now, for the differences. First, in terms of regulatory coverage, NPRM mainly focuses on pharmaceuticals, cosmetics, and clinical trials. Meanwhile, TFDA has a broader scope. It also covers food, herbal products, medical devices, narcotics, psychotropic substances, dangerous goods, and volatile substances. Next, when it comes to testing and evaluation, NPRA is more involved in direct laboratory work. It performs analytical, pharmaceutical, microbiological, and pharmacological tests to evaluate products. On the other hand, TFDA is less involved in lab testing and focuses more on enforcement, regulation, and coordination. So overall, while both agencies aim to ensure public health and safety, they differ in terms of their scope and how they execute their roles. That's all from us. Thank you.